trust us with your travel. We've redesigned how we deliver service on board. Although things look different, our priority is a clean and comfortable experience for you. For your safety, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Remember to use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted during takeoff, and please keep the aisle clear of any potential trip hazards. The lavatories are regularly refreshed with Lysol products, but if you notice an untidy lavatory, please let a flight attendant know. Federal regulations prohibit the use of cellular networks during flight. The use of Wi-Fi to make voice or video calls is not allowed. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on the safety information card at delta.com. Wi-Fi is available and power outlets are at your seat so you can stay connected and enjoy free messaging. Reusable earbuds are available for purchase on today's flight. You'll save 20% and earn double miles when you use your Delta SkyMiles credit card from American Express. For payments on board, we encourage contactless payment with tap to pay of any kind. Please take a moment to see if your payment method is compatible. If necessary, we also accept all major credit and debit cards. We invite you to enjoy our complimentary entertainment and snack offerings today. However, please note that federal regulations prohibit consuming any alcohol you might have brought on board with you. We ask that you leave your face covering on until flight attendants complete service at your row. Please join us in our efforts to comply with the federal mask mandate and safely care for one another by quickly replacing your face covering over your nose and mouth after briefly taking a bite of food or a sip of your drink. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to